Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Someone's Creative World. This is my grandma. A huge shout out to my grandma for teaching me this very delicious recipe called Warak Enab. Before we start, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing if you haven't already. I'm gonna be cooking with my grandma. Okay, so before we go to the procedure, the preparation process, let me show you the ingredients. So, obviously, first, we need some wine leaves. You need to soak them in water and then drain them out. Here it is. Egyptian rice, which is soaked for 10 minutes. Some minced meat, salt to taste, pepper, and some cinnamon powder, lemon, garlic, cooking oil, and we also need lamb chops. Let's start the procedure. So first, you're going to want to take the previously soaked Egyptian rice that we also drained and put it in a bowl. Now you're going to want to take some meat. Put it here. Now we need to mix this all up. Okay, so now we're going to want to take some cinnamon powder for some taste, black pepper as you can see, salt for some extra taste. Add some cooking oil. We're going to want to mix this. It's also very satisfying. Okay, since now the mixing process is done, now let's mix it up and roll it with the wine leaf. Me and my grandma are going to roll it. So first you're going to want to take some meat like this and then spread it out on the middle part of the leaf. It shouldn't reach these both sides, it should just be in the middle. Fold, grease. Okay, now the rolling process is done, as you can see, very beautiful. Now we're gonna go and fry the lamb chops. Looks very nice, very juicy, which is why I like them. Standing tower. Let's grab. Okay, after frying it a little bit, let's transfer it to the cooking pan. If you're okay with the extra spice, you can add the extra chilies and eat them if you're okay. There. And then you're gonna wanna add some garlic. Here, and go. Perfecto. Now we need to add the wine leaf rolls. Just as a tip reminder, this lock needs to be facing down. Also, try making a spiral with them. Fill in the gaps, kind of like Candy Crush. See, we need to arrange it like this in a beautiful circular pattern. Okay, now, after that, we need to take some salt and spread it all over. Add some water. There. Then, you need to add this plate on top. Okay, you need to add a little more water. Put this on here. And then we need to take some weight and put it on here. So we need to keep it like this for at least 1 hour. Okay, so once you see it's starting to bubble, you need to make the gas low flame. Now, since it's fully cooked, we need to close the gas. Then after that, we can take this off. Take this out, and then we need to drain it. It's a bit heavy. After draining it, we need to take this off. some lemon juice. Not lemon juice, lemon water. Whatever you want to call it. Put it all over there. Now, to transfer this food to this plate, we need to take the plate, put it on here, and then flip it upside down. And flip it upside down so the food will transfer to the plate. Now I'm gonna take the help of my dad. My father flipped this, so you just take this carefully off, this aside, and doesn't that look beautiful? And take the magnificente tomato. Finally done! I'm so excited to try this thing. It looks so yum. See? Amazing! Time to try the lamb chop. This is so good! Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you'll like this dish too. So this is a special Lebanese traditional dish, and a huge thanks to my grandma for teaching me how to cook this. Thank you, Mommy. Subscribe to my channel and press the like button. You can also press the notification button for the latest updates. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's yum.
Yummy. Very good. Yummy. Take some. No. This for me. Take my. No. Take baby. Baby, okay. So yummy. See you.